Hello guys, I have this little unicorn. It does stand, and no, body wasn't testing my hands. And yes, like and subscribe because it does help out with me to grow my channel. And yes, the nose it may look like it has a snout. That actually the part of the design which allows you to basically put a keyring in it. This is a paper clip, but I bent it into shape. But, yeah. I just put a little bit of black marker on the eyes because I don't have a double color printer at all. I have a single color one. And yes, all of this is printed in one attempt. And they say it's limited at time. I'll put a link for this little baby in the description. It's cute, it's cuddly. And you can also get another one which does not have these holes on their front end. So if you don't like the holes and you just want to have no ability to put on your keychain, you can literally do that if you want that way. I do not have a store right now. Hopefully later on I do. But it's a cute little 3D print. And it even has little spots on the bottom of the feet. It's printed like flat like this. And then it's printed all in one attempt. And no, this thing doesn't weigh a whole lot. A little child can pick it up pretty easy because it's basically not very much there. And yeah, I bought this PLA not for this project, but I bought it for different projects, whichever requires skin tone. It's a cute little object, and I think this one is maybe be given to my nieces, and I have another one printed. I'm going to give to my nieces too, if they want to take them home later. They are pretty old. They're basically in high school, I think both of them. But I'm going to give them a bunch of different 3D prints I have on hand when they get up here, and they get to pick and choose what they want. And yes, it's a nice little 3D print. And yes, and if I want to print another one, I can just load it up on the printer. I'll probably print another one just in case, and I'll print a different one for them. I've decided now they'll get a separate one for themselves, and I'll keep this one original on hand for myself and print them a secondary one. I'll do that later. Like and subscribe and comment for more. See you next time.